Neste Zeke. Neste Zeke. Kill.
What's going on?
Primo.
Get sharp, Braga. O ring.
Oh, é boss waka.
Ay, boso ki man, wena.
Buena
What's poppin'?
waka.
Nazoge.
What's the kind of one?
Hey, andate.
Oh,
Oh, how's life on the other side?
What do you mean the other side, dog? I'm not dead. What do you mean?
No, like,
no, that.
are you in state? Or you back?
No, I'm here. I'm at home. I'm in Jersey, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
not.
Uyakanga. Uzosha nomuzi, ganga. Uzosha nomuzi. Nestasi, yes.
It's you.
In the flesh. Well, on screen, but yes. What's going on? What are you up to today? You trying to burn the house, yeah? Oh, what are you doing with the matches? Huh?
Nothing.
Be fast with those skips, my boy. Be fast with those skips. Just in case.
Yo, let's just see your other hand quickly, dog. Just put up your hand. Okay, bet. All right. I don't trust him. Where was that hand? Oh, wait. Dintang?
I'm good.
Nice.
Wow.
Udirang?
I'm just sitting down. So much echoing. Like it's almost like so empty. Like it's giving the echo vibe, you know.
Oh, damn.
Like it's your room is so empty. What?
What, my room?
Yeah.
What else is supposed to be in here?
I don't know, like something. I don't know, like it's giving the echo vibe. Like it's like hello, something like that. You know?
That's because it's a big house, brother.
Wow. Nice, yeah.
Nah. It's because it's empty, dog.
No way.
What's going on?
You lying gay. Hey, what kind of here?
I'm chilling, my bro. What are you saying, though?
Easy, my dog. Yo, what the fuck? Can I record the screen?
Yeah, for sure. What are you doing on here?
Nah, I'm just chilling. I just got off a shift. And then I'm about to do night shift.
Oh, okay, bet.
Nah,
Wait,
gay,
where do you work?
I fuck with your music heavy, dog.
I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it, man.
And I'm from Durban Twigs, yeah, what kind?
What kind, Lani?
I like your side.
I'm chilling, man.
Nah, I do IT, my G.
Okay, fire. Sick, man.
Yes.
All right, I want to skip, yeah?
Safe.
Take it easy,
When
yeah?
you drop something, yeah, come on.
Don't worry. This week, tomorrow, dropping a music video tomorrow. And then on the 1st of September, dropping an album.
Bet.
That's all, okay? Damn, they skipped me immediately.
My God, I hate to eat.
Yeah?
What the flip is your shit? I'm used to double speed. Hold up, chat.
What do you say?
Computer, switch places. Computer, make me switch with him. Computer.
Are you
Not
live?
working, chat.
Are you live? Where you live?
Are you live is my question. Are you live?
I am live.
Yes, double computer. Computer, switch location right now.
What the heck? Oi! Smoking that za. Yeah. Nah, that movement is crazy, brother. That movement is crazy. I saw that though.
Skip.
Eh. What's going on here, though?
Why do you call when you're short on cash? Can't sleep through the night. I'm losing my mind tonight. Goes on the table, watching local cable, hating that I'm able.
I love your vibe, bro.
I love yours too.
Love your vibe, dog. Chill, dog, though. Let's go. My fucking nigga, bro.
Nasty C. Wanna nasty C when I style.
Oh, nasty.
Eh.
Come on.
More entertainment. What's going on?
Nah, nothing is going on, bro.
Just relaxing, yeah?
Why did you turn off Tyler, my guy? You could have made millions.
Okay, all right. Well, in the dark. That's crazy. And you're naked in bed. Crazy. I should have did that to him. Hello? Hello?
Hey yo, Nasty C.
Oh, it's poppin', gang.
Hey, what's popping, chat? Like,
Ain't shit.
man.
Just chillin', you
Hey,
feel?
fuck with your shit, dog. Like,
I appreciate it, twin.
poppin', man.
Ain't shit, man. Just over here vibing, you feel me?
Yeah, just chilling, just chill.
Ain't
Like, when
nothing
is the
to
album
it.
dropping, like, dog?
On the 1st
On the 1st?
September, yeah, search gate.
Okay.
Alright,
Yeah,
take
yeah,
it
yeah,
easy,
yeah,
man.
Yeah. I'm trying to hear the vibes, like, the vibes are kind of different in this album. Like,
They different. That's what I'm telling you,
Okay.
twin. That's what I'm trying to tell them. The vibes are different.
yeah. I'll be seeing the new shit.
For
like,
sure.
It's kind of cool, like, hey, it's amazing.
For sure. Appreciate it. All right, take it easy, gang.
Yeah.
He's in the chat for sure. I know that.
Oh shit, yes. Nasty C. Let me show you something.
Oh, well. What up, brother?
Good. What's up, gang?
I'm chilling. Where you from, bro?
Nice. What? Holy fuck?
What are you saying, bro?
Oh, shit. Nasty C.
Hey, yeah, what are you saying, my dog?
What the fuck?
You from Cape Town. I don't even have to know that. I know it already. You don't even have to say it. What's going on? What's poppin', twin?
Nasty C. Yo. Drop a piece on gang. Yo, I'm just screenshot this shit. Oh shit.
Let's go.
Nasty fucking C.
Yes, sir. Take it easy, gang.
Yo, can I please just put on my screen record, dog, please?
For
gang.
sure. Go ahead.
Damn. Nasty C, man.
What are you saying,
Yeah,
dog?
you're my idol, dog. I fucking listen to every single one of her albums, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it, bro. That's love, man.
Yo, bro.
What you got going, dog? What's with the red lights and the shiesty?
Okay, so like I design like on my own clothes and shit, and I also make music on the side. I'm
That's
like,
you.
just chilling, playing fucking Need for Speed Underground 2.
That's your clothes up
I'm
there.
also like a skater. What you say?
That's your clothes. That's your design up there.
Yeah, some shit that I made.
Okay. Fire, bro.
Some shit over there.
Sick,
Fuck,
man. When I see you one day, give me a cap, bro.
You want a cap?
Yeah. When I see you one day. You in Cape Town, yeah? I'm assuming.
Yeah, I'm Cape Town.
Yeah, man. Next time I'm in Cape Town, bring me a cap, dog.
Dog, of course, dog, of course. I'm
Ah,
waiting
ouais.
for something.
For sure.
Can you chop on? Where do I want to tap on? I can chop on like Instagram or something.
Yeah, hit me on on IG. Yeah.
Or you can ID show.
Easy boy. Chill guy, man. Ah, ouais? Okay. All right.
Back. Hey.
Backward.
Yeah?
Oh, this is the girl.
These guys are just looking for hoes. You can tell. They just see me and Skip instantly, boy. Damn. My boy's doing a face. Oh, well. What are you saying, boy?
Nah, what's good? I'm
Chilling.
How about you?
I'm relaxing. Are you in the chat right now?
Yeah, I'm in the chat right
Let's
now. You know
go.
what's crazy?
Yeah?
Can I tell you a crazy story you probably won't remember?
Go ahead.
I think it was back in 2020 or was it 21? We used to play COD together.
What was your name?
Steady Profit.
Oh, damn. That was what? Verdansk days, yeah?
Yeah, Verdansk, Resurgent days.
Hectic. All right, fire, bro.
It was around about the time before you dropped Jack and then you previewed it. It was lit.
Salute, man. Well, good to link up again, bro.
Nah, shout out to you, bro. W's in the stream.
For sure. Big W. I don't remember chat. I don't. But you know. Shout out him.
Oh, Nizazina.
Hey.
Nice to see.
What's going on?
Oh, how are you?
I'm relaxing. Are you guys twins?
Whoa, dog. Whoa. Wow, dog. Okay, my brother's gonna rap. Thank you, bro.
You gonna rap?
You need to. Yeah.
Hey, let's go. Do it right now. Do it.
Wow. Okay.
You have a beat? Okay. I'll go a cappella.
Okay. Yeah. My nigga be rapping. Okay. Bro.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah. I've been the shit from the get-go. I got greens in my pockets. I feel like I'm gecko. Fresh kid getting to my ghetto. She don't wanna let go. I'm not even cheesy swing patang on the back though. But ninga bahira cause they think that I'm a bad boy. But Bonnie Gucci every day and she sign on the West toy. Feeling like I'm hot, nothing act up with bang bros. Raps too hot, no say yenza lento. Man, I rap my soul, I rap how I feel. I'm a better nigga with a bunch of meal. Listen when I preach. Talking shit around my back doesn't pay a bill. Brother, what you talking? Don't you know my talk is real? That's the that boy formal, cause he always talking in. I said, hello baby, tell me how you been. I'm not even rabbit, but I know I'm super ill. Real. I'm killing rappers who hate what real rappers do. I see the niggas choking, they be like they Pikachu. Look at you. You are the man who don't really Pikachu. Psych. No matter the guap, I just need me something nice. Nice like a bike. Like a kite, something that can really get me higher than my Zai, Zabazai, like I'm David. They trying to get me mad and
Let's go.
Love the way I'm rapping and the way I'm really trapping, bro. As soon as I get it bag and I'm ready. I'm really up for a Betty, you ready to get it too. Okay, you feel yourself like Rihanna and Roki. I'm keeping it low key. This is my story. I am the GOAT, my nigga. Give me the glory. If you allergic to beef, I'ma give you this Glock. No gorillas on my way. I'ma give you this pack. Bro, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. W. Hey, keep it going, dog. Keep it going. We miss rap like that, bro. We miss rap like that. I appreciate it. Nah, have a good night, boy.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. Nah, that was a vibe. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. What the fuck you got going on, bro?
Oh, nasty. Oh, shit. Don't skip.
Okay.
Bro?
I'm chilling. I'm relaxing. What's going on?
We good. I'm nasty. We good, bro.
Are you in the chat? You guys are in the chat, aren't you? Are you in the chat right now?
Yeah.
For sure. Let's go. Let's go, boys. What are you saying?
We good, bro.
Nice.
You know that.
You actually camping?
We camping.
You lied, dog. I want to go camping, bro.
We telling you, look, bro. Like we outside right now. We tired of these wars.
Where?
so
Where?
we
What city?
just- we Nanda.
Oh, damn. Is it safe to be camping
You
out
know
there?
the place.
There was
It is
Nanda,
safe.
but
Yeah, boy. Ebonga lapha aselentozaningi.
Them.
Sure.
oh, hectic.
cold
Eh,
out there.
bazonquma bafana bami.
Lutho cash. Lutho cash.
Ah, okay, all right, easy, gents. I love, man.
Alright, Jamal.
Nazoga. There has not been a single female on this thing, on this whole thing. What's up, bro?
Oh no, bro. Oh no.
What's going on?
Nice to see you.
What's poppin'?
I thought we were wild when I want you.
Yeah.
Ain't no rules in the jungle. Bro.
What's going on, my dog? You nice?
I'm a big fan.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Are you in the chat right now?
Yeah?
Are you in the chat? Are you on the stream right now?
I'm not on the stream.
Oh, okay. I love, man. Take it easy, bro. Yeah, I'm live right now on Twitch.
By the way, nice to see you. It's Lecompo,
Not Liscompo. Lecompo. I got you.
Yes.
I got you.
Have a nice one.
You too, my brother. Chat. Someone actually sent me a Liscompo song to do a verse for, like real life. Real life. And I really might do it. Oh, there has been females on this thing. They're just all skipping me. Damn. That's a tough pill to swallow, dog. It just hit me. Okay, all right. Well, that's just sad. You, just take that shit off your face, man. No! Oh, I could do different countries? I didn't know that.
Oh, nasty.
What's going on?
What's going on, my brother?
I'm relaxing. Mpema mapipe la puneza.
It's my bad.
I need no man. All right, okay. Let's go to a different country, bro. Where do we go? Chat? UK? Okay. If I could just find it, I can't see it. There it is. Holy. Nah, this is dangerous.
Yo, what are you doing in fucking South Africa, brother?
What am I doing in South Africa? I'm from South Africa.
Brother, your English is so fucking great. You should move to fucking United States, you know?
Me?
Go back to States, bro. Yeah.
What you mean go back to the States, dog? Ngumzulu mina. Ngqhamuka la eSouth, uthini wena?
You're from South Africa.
Yebo, ngiphume eThekwini mina ngiyindoda, umZulu, qobo lwakhe.
You know DDP?
DDP?
Yeah.
As a person? Like an artist?
Yeah. No, it's not an artist. UFC fighter though.
Drikas. I know Drikas.
Yeah, Drake is doing
Yeah.
Okay, brother, enjoy.
All right, you too, bro.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Y'all look underage. Like you shouldn't be on this app.
16.
16 is underage. What's poppin'? Okay, lipstick. Yeah, I am.
Oh. This is scary.
Hi.
I'm gonna get jump scared.
Huh?
I'm gonna get jump scared.
No. Does it feel like one of those? No. No
Yeah,
jump scares.
Your room is laid out like someone's gonna jump out.
No. What's going on?
Nothing.
Just relaxing? What is that bottle in your hand? Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. I'm taking a sip every time I get flushed.
Every time you get flashed. How many times have you gotten flashed tonight?
Well, starting at 10:05, about 4 times.
It's number 5. I'm joking. Joking. I would never. Ever. All right, Beard. Hey, Grandpa, what are you doing? What is happening? Hi, guys. How are you? Good, man. Oh, what was that? How old are you guys? They told me to check for age every single time just so I don't get in trouble. How old are you guys?
18.
18 and 19. Okay, great. How's the night going?
Good, how are you? I mean, how's your night going?
Night's going good. I like your guys' accent.
Thanks.
Yeah, I've been fingers crossed on this app, hoping I don't get flashed or anything like that, you know?
Oh, yeah, same. We have a lot.
Yeah? Has it happened yet?
Yeah.
It has?
Too many friends.
Oh. Okay. All right. Well, wish me luck.
What are weirdos?
Wish me luck, yeah?
Good luck.
Have a good one.
You too.
Am I on live?
You are, bro. How'd you know? What gave it away? The fucking setup? And the mic? All right, sorry, chat. This background sound is I love it so much. I'm gonna, you know what I mean? Try the US. Let's go to the US, man. Let's see what's happening over there. Let's see what's happening in the States. Dr. Umar in this bitch. American people are crazy. It might get crazy in here. US slurs incoming. Whoa, you again. Let's go to Nigeria, bro. Let's just go to Nigeria. Hold on. Let's do about 5 skips and then we'll go to Nigeria. No. I'm skipping everyone in bed, bro. If I see a blanket or pillow, I'm skipping. What the fuck? Go to bed, twin. Go to bed, bro. Go to bed, my nigga. Go to bed, bro.
Yo.
What's
yo,
poppin'?
I know it. Streamer, you're a streamer, bro.
How do you know that? What gave it away? The background, the microphone, the headphones, good lighting, good camera.
Wait, what do you stream on?
Twitch. I'm on
What's
Twitch.
your name?
Nasty_CSA1.
Wait, hold on.
Hi, lady.
Wait. Nasty underscore what?
_CSA1. It's got a black and white profile picture.
I'm in your thing. Yo, I see. Look at us. How much viewers does he have?
Not that many. 5.
Not that many. All right, bro. Bye.
All right. Yeah, WK. She's got good energy. She's just mean mugging.
Hi.
What's poppin', twin?
What?
What's poppin', twin? I like your hair, bro.
Thank you.
Do this one time. Ah. Hey, let's go. Where you from, bro?
Are you a YouTuber or something?
I am a streamer, yeah. You want to check out the stream?
No.
They love your hair in
Yes,
here, bro.
yes.
Yeah, go to Twitch. Nasty_CSA1.
Give me your YouTube. Give me your YouTube ID.
YouTube Nasty_C. Yeah, this is turned into like a self-promo thing now. I didn't want it to be that, chat.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
What up, twin?
Listen.
Oh, I love that guy, bro. I have a song with that guy. You hear me?
You know this song?
Yeah, I know that guy. I have a song with that guy.
Yeah, you have a song with that
I have a song with that guy. Yeah, search Runtown and Nasty C.
Okay.
Search it right now.
What a
At this point, chat, we might as well do self-promo. Fuck that.
Runtown what?
Runtown featuring Nasty C.
Okay.
You'll see a much, much younger version of me, but it's me, I promise.
All right.
Where you from?
I'm from America.
Don't sound like it.
I don't sound like it.
I sound more American than you, and I've never even been there before.
You what?
I've never even... What part of America are you from?
I'm from Charleston.
Charleston. Okay. All right. Never been.
You thought, bro, I don't have that Jersey accent talking about what you. I don't speak like that.
You sound like you're from the UK. It was right there. You skipped it. Yeah, that's it. That's it right there.
I know. Okay, let me see. Let me analyze your face.
And you got the money on in your hands. Let me see how much money's that.
It's $300, bro.
You over here flexing on people?
No, I'm not flexing.
Oh, okay. Why you got the ads on your
This is
shit?
not like, I have to be flexing like 2K or something. That's not enough.
Okay. Where I'm from, that's a lot of money, bro. You could put a kid through school with that money.
It is?
Play the video.
$300 is a lot of money.
It's a lot of money, gang.
Let me see. Let me analyze your face. All right. Which one is you though?
I'm the shorter, better looking guy. That one by the I8.
This one?
That one, yes. What face am I doing there so I could?
You're doing something like this. Like this.
Like this?
Nah, bro. That might be you, bro.
It is me. I tell you what.
What were you saying?
I said up with the weights I work, down with the pack I roll, up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it. I tell you what, search that same name on Twitch right now. See if this whole stream don't pop up right now. Somebody said I'm too fat now. Okay, all right, chat. Yeah, come on now. Look, do me a favor, bro. Do me a favor. I've never. You said you're from Charleston. How'd you say it again?
Yeah, from Charleston, from Charleston.
Charleston. I've never been there, bro. I would love to come there one day. You are now officially a part of my. You're a soldier of mine now. Yeah, go spread the word. Tell him you met me. Tell him I'm dope as fuck. I'm the best rapper you've ever heard. Yeah,
You have IG or Snapchat or something like that?
I have all of that. I'm an artist, brother. I have all of
Yeah,
it.
give me your IG, bro.
Nasty_CSA.
What?
Nasty_CSA.
Nasty_. Let me type in my computer real quick.
I'm live on Twitch right now, by the way. They're loving you.
Live on Twitch.
Yeah, they're loving you.
Name of the Twitch.
Nasty_CSA, just with a 1 at the end.
All right. Let me type all that shit real quick. I'll be right back.
I bet. Do we wait, chat?
All right.
You got it?
So you're on live right now. So you're Twitch. So you're whatever you call it. Your stream can see me right now, right?
Yeah. Anything you want to say to them before I get out of here? Yeah.
But I'm gonna tell them that, to be honest, bro, this is I never heard this music before. Like I never heard this, but to be honest, your part might be the best part I've heard. It's actually fire, bro.
All right, let's go. What was your name again, bro?
Let them hear it one more time. Let them hear this masterpiece one more time before I go.
W. Let's go.
Nasty C.
Let's go. Hey, bro, listen. Look. I'm gonna make you a promise, yeah? Yo, pause the music. Pause it for a second. Pause it. Pause the fucking thing. Pause it. Pause the. Hold on. Okay, look, I'm gonna make you a promise, yeah? What's your name, bro? What's your name?
My name is William.
William. Okay, look, William.
Yeah.
One day I want to come there and I want to do a show over there, yeah? Hopefully by then you would have listened to more of my catalog. William, you got to listen, man. Hopefully you would have listened to a bit more of my music, yeah? And I'm going to meet you and we're going to have a great fucking night, man.
You have a YouTube channel, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Tell me the name. I'm going to follow him instantly.
Just search Nasty C. Yeah.
Bro, I feel like I'm meeting a famous person, bro. What?
I mean, I'm not that famous. I try, man.
South African rapper and songwriter, bro. I just wrote.
That's the one.
And you two already know, bro.
That's the
You
one.
two already know you.
All right, William, we'll meet one day and we'll talk about this, yeah?
Yeah. I see your stream right now.
I ended that one though. I only give him like 10 minutes or so, and then I carry on Twitch.
All right.
Bet. All right, William, take care, bro.
All right, bro. See you, bro.
Good guy. Holy shit. Hey, Dr. Umar. All right, we have to go to Nigeria now. All right, I don't know why I was so nervous going into this thing, bro. It's not that bad. I don't see Nigeria, chat. Am I blind? I don't see it. Wait, let me stop it before they flash us. Brazil? There is no Nigeria. Where do we go now? Thailand. Thailand. They're gonna... Thailand.
XZ Junior.
What are you saying, boy?
Radex is on Omi TV right now.
He's on the Sata channel or what?
Yeah, he's on the Sata lobby. I'm literally talking to him right now.
What are the odds that I'll find him though in the first couple clicks, bro?
Nah, I
But
don't
also
know.
Radex is my dog. You could just call me here on thing. I'm not going back there for him. Radex, love you, gang. But no. What do we go, chat? Brazil? We go Brazil? Okay. Nah, Radex is my nigga, bro. Brazil. What? Hey! Ai, 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 ai.
Nistisi.
Mfunane Brazil nina bafana.
Hayibo mfethu.
Mfunane Brazil ma-arts. Mfunane Brazil.
Mara unifuna
No, come on. Mods. Ngib. Nigga. No, ngiyabonga mfethu. Salute ma-arts. Salute. Nigga. Hamba kanjani ma-arts?
Okay, you could.
Angimoja boy. What are you saying? Angiyabonga mat. Salute. Ngiyabonga ma-arts.
Just my man and just my man, I game changers.
Not about say Tuban in our face. Nah, you guys don't sound like Josie niggas. You from Durban, yeah?
Yeah.
That's all. You take 031 till it's done, boy.
Hey.
That's all. I'm out. Say again, huh?
Correct.
All right. Stream sniping. What are they doing in Brazil? I forgot. Anything with a bed, we're skipping. Aye. Oh, that was a neck.
Oh shit.
I heard that. I heard that, Cash. I heard you say, where are the mommies? I heard that. I heard that shit. I heard it, Cash. Cash is over here looking for the Brazilian mommies.
Bad clubs.
Getting
Bad
up to
clubs.
no good, man.
Bad clubs.
I'm gonna skip you, Cash.
Bad clubs.
Damn, Brazilian people don't like me, bro. They skip me instantly. Hey!
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Where you guys from?
Brazil.
Okay. You guys look mad young. You shouldn't be on this app. Thing, whatever it is.
We don't speak English.
Cap. You the best, bro. All right, Brazil ain't got nothing going on, chat. Let's go to Thailand. Hi. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. No. No one in bed.
Nasty C.
What up, my G?
Yo, I'm good, my G. How are you?
I'm relaxing, though. What are you streaming or something?
Nah, bro, I'm not streaming, bro. I'm just gaming right now.
Okay, bet. What you playing?
I'm playing GTA, bro.
Oh, yeah, let's go, man. Are you excited for the new one?
What? Excited for the new one?
Yeah.
GTA 6?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm hella excited, but that bitch never dropping, bro.
It feels like it, yeah?
Yeah,
It
it's
just
been forever, bro.
and it's been delayed again, isn't it?
Yeah, this shit till next year, bro.
Hey, boy. All right, man. GG's, my dog. Take it easy,
GG's,
bro.
Take
All right.
it easy. Wait. I need to take a screenshot for my homies,
Let's get it.
bro.
Let's get it.
Yeah, wait.
Tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, wait. I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. Tough shit, bro.
Let's go, boy.
Stay safe, bro.
Well. How do you say hi in what's it called? Taiwanese? What's the language?
No, ask them.
How do you say hi in Thailandese? Hey! Hello.
Hey.
What's up?
Hello.
What's poppin'?
What's up?
What's good, twin?
Where you come from?
I'm from Thailand, but I live South Africa.
Oh.
Yes.
Hey, from Thailand นี่ from Thailand.
I know. You look it.
นี่
Yes. Who's that at the
Yeah.
back? Who's that?
good เลย
Okay, all right. Noob, you are a baby. Go to bed. Don't get canceled? Oh shit, my bad. I'm tweaking now. I'm getting carried away. My bad. Don't clip. What's popping, twin?
Monie American praat.
Yeah?
Sy is 'n kalet. Sy moet Afrikaans praat.
Ik niet praat Afrikaans niet, my brother.
Oef, nee.
Ik Zulu. Ik Zulu.
Oh, konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa, Zulu. The fuck? There's no way you are Taiwanese or Thailandese, whatever it's called. I don't believe it. Not for a second. Hello. Screenshot. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you in the world tonight?
South Africa.
Ah, nice. Where in South Africa are you?
Good.
You are good. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Pile, but like people call me Dodo.
Dodo.
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you, Dodo. You seem like a very chilled person.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What you got going on
So, like,
tonight? Sorry. What were you saying?
What's your real name?
What do you mean real name? What's my other name? What name do you know?
I forgot your name.
My real name is Sbego. Sbego Ngobo.
Oh. Nice name.
Thank you. Gabon. A lot of people say my name sounds like Dago's name. Gabon. I don't know why they say that. But.
Doesn't.
Okay, take it easy. Have a good night, no?
Wow.
Where in South Africa are you from? Good. I love that. Aye. The gang. The gang. The fucking gang. What up, gang? What up, twin?
Nice, bro. Bro, that's nice to see, dog.
I can see, bro. Nice to see.
What's going on?
What up?
I'm chillaxing, boy. I'm really bored on this app.
No, it's gotta be a great day.
What are you saying, twin? What's going on?
Nah, that's good, man. I got a question for you.
Go ahead.
As an upcoming artist, now, what advice would you give me, bro?
What kind of music do you make?
Can I make you listen to? Can you listen to something?
Go ahead, yeah.
Damn.
That's
No, bro, I gotta be dreamy. Okay, no, fine.
Can you see without the glasses, bro?
Yeah, I can see, bro.
You can see properly without them.
Nah, I wouldn't say proper because they are prescribed.
Ah, okay. I see. I see. You had to find that song quick, though.
Gotta find it. Easy.
Oh.
Never thought we'll meet you here.
For some reason, I don't believe that. I feel like you guys were on the stream.
Nah,
Because why are you in Thailand, dog? She said it. Nah, let's go, boy. I love it, man. I love it. Nah, I would just say, bro, just keep, just keep perfecting it, dog, Just keep doing it, bro. Don't ever stop, man. Every day, make at least like 5 songs. You will get better and better and better and better, and then you'll find your sound, yeah? It might not be rap. It might not be, you'll figure it out somewhere down the line, but I love it. Yeah, man. Yeah. Nah, go ahead, dog. Go crazy, man. Good to meet you boys, yeah?
Peace.
Yes, sir. I was almost mean, bro. But he looks like a nice guy. He looks like a chilled guy, so I didn't want to do that. What's going on, boys?
Eh, mona, ke NSD motako. NSD.
Eh, ni dirang mo Thailand mo.
Eh, bana, Joe, can I screen record, bruh?
Yes.
Hold on, bruh. Whole NSD, bruh, was good, bruh.
I'm relaxing, dog. I'm chilling like a villain, dog. Are you guys?
Away, my G.
That's
Are you
all.
streaming there?
Yeah, I'm live right now.
Are you gonna clip this?
I mean, it depends.
It depends.
Yeah.
What does it depend
You
on?
gotta do something clip worthy, like funny or something. I don't know.
Oh, fuck, man.
Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke. If it's good, we
Nigga,
clip
you
it.
caught me off guard, bruh.
Yeah.
What do you mean? I just fucking saw NSDC now, bruh.
Tell me a joke. Give me a good joke, and then we'll clip it.
Nigga, I'm not a comedian like that, bruh. I won't lie, bruh.
Okay, give me something. Rap, like, you know what I mean?
Rap.
Or do you have a secret talent? What's your secret talent? Like, you know what I mean?
I'm doing magic, but I don't have my cards with me now.
Or like card tricks, yeah?
Yeah, card tricks. Yeah.
Okay, bad. All right. Oh, GG's, bro. Good to meet you guys, man.
No ways, bro.
Oh, yeah. I was ready with this button. I was just gonna wait for him to say one bar. You look like you're crying. Why are you on this app? All right.
Hey, man.
What is happening? What's going on? I'm good, bro. I'm relaxing. I'm chilling. What's going on?
Down, man. Hey, man. This is
What's going on, boys? What are you guys up to, man?
just relax. Chill.
What's going on? Yo, so look, I'm going around asking people to show me like their talents, yeah? What's your guys' talent?
Talent.
Yeah.
You can rap. This is your dream guy.
Is he under the bed? Oh, ow. Why is he hiding, dog? I tried to hold that.
What the toe is?
Yeah?
yes. Oh, yes, Daddy.
Grown man, by the way.
Nah,
Crazy.
bro, I'm 16 now, your puss.
Still grown, doing that shit.
yes.
Just you and another nigga in the car doing that, yeah? At night.
Who's this? Mima or Mima?
Crazy. Just 2 niggas in the car doing that.
ทำไมไม่เจอคนไทยเลยวะ
Hello! Talabo tu pu 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 wah.
At night. Who's this? Mima or Mima?
Crazy.
Yeah.
What's going on? Stream sniping. You niggas are stream sniping.
Yo.
Nigga, chill.
What's going on? What are you saying?
We on stream, nigga.
I know. That's what I'm saying. What's popping, gents?
Yeah.
Okay, G. Okay,
Bro, we trying to play something.
We trying to play something for you.
Okay, bet. Let's get it.
Ah.
Mute the stream so there's no echo, yeah? Okay. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I like it, bro.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. Good shit. Who's that? Is that you or is that both of you guys?
What?
Is that both of you guys on the song?
That's me, G.
That's you? Fire,
Yeah,
bro.
But he's also an artist. G.
Fire, bro. Keep going, dog. I'll meet you at the top one day.
You should sign.
No. I'm not signing no one, dog. Yeah.
Tom Rex, trust
Nah. Yeah, I'm not signing. Nah, on the real though, bro. I stopped doing that. Like, I'm not signing people. I give people platforms, but I don't sign no one. I don't want to be like tied to anyone contractually. You understand?
Oh, nah.
Yeah.
It's chill, man. It's chill.
But nah, dog, keep going though, bro. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Shout out.
Good
My
shit.
Spotify B4BY Cracksy, bro.
B4BY Cracksy.
Yeah, baby Cracksy.
Okay, bet. Let's go, dog.
Yeah, bet.
Alright.
We appreciate you,
Salute.
man. We've been here for 48 minutes, nigga. 48 minutes.
Damn, on Omigo, on this thing here. Damn, bro. Nah, that's good shit, bro. Appreciate it, man. Well, I'm glad we linked up.
Appreciate you.
All right. That's dedication. Hey, don't skip me, please. You about to skip me, bro?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, nothing. Just skip it.
Well, I'm a nice guy. Don't I look like I'm a nice guy? Like I'm a kind person?
Okay.
Yeah,
You're
give me a
kind.
chance, man. Damn. What's your name?
I'm Kane.
Kane. Nice to meet you, Kane. I'm Junior.
meet you.
Where you from, Kane?
Kane. Hey, sorry. I'm from Thailand.
You're from Thailand. Okay. You might be the first. You're not the first. Okay. All right. Well, look, man. One day I want to come out to Thailand and I want to do a show. I make music. Okay?
Really?
Yeah. You listen to hip hop music?
Hip hop? Yeah, some.
Some, not all of it. Who's your favorite hip hop artist?
Maybe like I don't have, but I just listen to it. But I don't have.
Okay.
Maybe Kendrick Lamar.
Kendrick Lamar. I can rap as good as Kendrick Lamar.
Okay,
Sometimes. Every time I step up on the mic, I. Didn't know about the sounds of the baby. That's all I have right now. But if you go check out my YouTube, I promise you won't be disappointed. I promise. Look, fingers crossed. You have your phone on you? You have your phone on you?
Yes.
Okay. Go YouTube and search Nasty C. Nasty C.
Wait. Nasty C.
Yes. That's me.
You?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Look at that face. Look at this face. Same guy. Me, him. Same guy.
Wait. Wait. Same guy.
Same guy. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so look.
Let me shake.
What you say your name was again? Ray. No.
Mm,
What was your name again?
Ken.
Ken. Ching? Ken? Ken. Oh, Ken. Oh, Ken. Oh, shit. My
Ken.
bad. All right. Okay, look, Ken. One day,
I'll listen to it.
listen to it, but also send it to everyone.
Yeah, okay.
All right, bet, Ken. Have a good night, man.
One day, what? What are you saying?
One day I
What
come
you
to
gonna say?
Thailand, I do a show, I'm on stage. Shout out to my boy Ken. Feel me?
Thank you. Okay. See
All right,
you
bet.
soon.
Bet. Self promo. What is that? I don't want to see what that is.
Nice to see. There's no way that's nice to see, bro. Bro, it's him. It's not. Nah. Oh, it's not him. There's no way. It's not him.
You niggas is stream sniping. You cannot fool me, bro. There's no ways that this was random. I don't believe that, bro.
Yo, nasty, bro. Please say Apure, bro. Say Apure if that's really you.
How does that prove that this is really me, though? You know what I mean?
Exactly. Actually, show your tats. Like it's him, bro. It's him. Exactly. Yo, nasty. Shut up, bro. Go play.
Shout out. What's going on, gents? What you guys up to, man?
Nah, bro. We're just staying up, bro. We have class tomorrow, but hey.
Yeah, just thugging it.
Yeah, just stuck in it, bro. Just living the Durban life, man. Hey.
All right, let's go, man. Nah, it's I see it. I believe it. I appreciate it, man. Nah, you boys have a good night, man.
You too, man.
That's all, man. Don't skip. Don't skip. Don't skip. Don't skip. Hello.
Thailand.
How are you?
Thailand.
Thailand. Yes, yes. I love Thailand. I love Thailand. I love Thailand. Don't skip. Don't show me your hands. Don't skip. Keep them up. Keep your hands up. How are you?
Huh?
How are you? How are you?
ชื่อเหรอ
Oh no.
เต้
Teach me Thailand. Teach me Taiwanese. Hopeless. There are no Huns. It's just niggas. This nigga still. Why? Why is he still on here, bro? Crazy. There are no Huns on here, bro. Don't skip. Don't skip. Don't skip. Don't skip. Please. Please. Please don't skip.
I want to go skip, bro.
Oh, okay. Everyone's been skipping me all night, man. It makes me feel ugly. I don't like it.
Same, man. Same.
All right.
Everyone's skipping me too.
Where you from? You sound like you're South African, dog.
I am, bro.
Me too. Let's go. Where you from?
I don't want to give away that information.
Oh, no. Just the city. Just generally. I'm from Durban.
Northwest.
Northwest. Let's go. All right, cool. All right, man. How's it going? How's the night going?
Nah, it's been going great, bro.
Yeah? You just chilling, just vibing?
Graduated from high school last year, and I'm in university right now. Thank
Are you at Res right now?
Yeah, I'm in my first year.
Fire, bro. Well, good luck with everything, man. I hope it all works out for you, dog.
Thank you, man. What are you doing, man?
I just talking shit all night, man. You mean what I do for a living? I rap for a living.
Yeah, like what you're doing for a living.
You ever heard of a guy called Nasty C?
Nasty C.
Yes.
I'll put it in the search bar right now. I'll put it in the tab.
Do it.
Wait.
I think you might know like Hell Nah or SMA.
Man, I just need to listen to them. I can tell you if I know them, you know? Because I can't tell you right now.
You listen to any hip hop at all?
Yeah.
Do you know the song, Am I Ever Gonna Quit? Hell no.
No, I haven't, but I swear.
Fuck that
I swear
song.
I'll give it a listen. After this, I'll give it a listen. And then if I meet you ever again, I will tell you.
Okay, cool. Listen to me. What's your name?
My name? No, man, I don't want to tell you my name.
Give me a fake name. I just need something to call you by for now.
John.
John?
Yo, Johan.
Oh, Johan. Okay. All right, listen, Joe. I'm gonna call you Joe, yeah?
Yeah.
Listen, Joe. I'm over here trying to get fans, bro. I am an up and coming artist. My name is Nasty C. Okay? You can look it up. I don't have a lot of followers, but I want followers. I dream that one day I could do shows and there could be more than just 25 people at the show. Okay? It would mean the world to me if you spread the word and listen to one of my songs, maybe 2, maybe 17. I don't know. It's up to you. Okay?
Man, I'll spread it with my friends. I have a lot of people at the campus. I can talk with them.
Yes.
I can show them your music.
Yes.
I will try to do that.
That's the fucking spirit, Joe. That's the fucking spirit.
I will meet you again. Maybe you'll see me at one of your concerts, bro.
I would fucking love that, man. I would love that, bro. And I will sign whatever it is you have and we'll have a great night, yeah?
All right, man.
Take it easy,
Have a
Joe.
good night.
You're a legend, man.
Trust, bro.
All right. 50 push-ups. Oh, I actually have been cussing all that. Hey, what you doing? Yeah, boss, shut up. Don't skip, don't skip. This guy's been skipping me all night, bro. He's over here fucking just clip farming. Well, not clip farming, or farming is what I meant to say. Awe,
Hola, hola.
Hambanjan.
Nah, not me stream sniping, bro.
I know, I could tell you were. I could see the way you were looking at 2 different screens
I'm
at the
just
same
sitting
time.
here
I
waiting
knew
for that
it.
moment, bro.
What's going on, boy? You nice?
You good?
I'm chilling, I'm chilling, I'm chilling. I'm about to switch countries. Yeah, I'm about to go to India, dog.
You better go to India.
Yeah, let's see what's happening in India. I actually can't see it here. Somebody said I should go. Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it. All right, take it easy, boy, yeah?
Alright, I just wanted to say you're the GOAT, man. Yeah. You're
I
him.
appreciate it, I appreciate it. Let's take a screenshot, let's take a screenshot. Let's do it.
Yeah. Away.
That's all right. Have a good one, boy.
Shop.
Namibia. I love Namibia. I love Namibia.
The fact that you're saying that, I'm Namibian.
Ah, what? What a total fucking coincidence. How did I know that? That's crazy. It's almost as if I saw it on the screen somehow. That's crazy. How are you, bro?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good, bro. I'm chilling. What are you up to?
No, I'm just busy on my phone.
Ah, okay. All right, man. It's on the screen, dumbass. That nigga's over here skipping people. You have a very skippable face, sir. I wouldn't. Don't skip! Ah. Don't skip. Does that make people skip? Don't skip.
Hello.
Please don't skip.
Okay.
How are you? Show me your hands right now. Don't skip, please. Okay. How are you, bro?
I'm all fine.
You're actually
What's
from
about
India,
you,
yeah?
bro?
I'm good, man.
What's about you?
I'm good, bro. You're
You're
from
from
India?
South Africa.
I'm from South Africa, bro.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm from India.
I love India, bro. I want to go there
What's
one
going
day.
on? Yeah, you must visit.
I love Indian food. It's my favorite.
Thank you so much.
Well, you don't
Yeah,
make
it's
the
nice.
food. You
The
didn't
taste
make
is
the food.
nice.
Oh, okay, it is. Have you ever been to South Africa?
Sorry?
You ever been to South Africa?
Sorry?
Ever been to South Africa?
Yeah? No,
No?
never. But I want to. I really want to.
Okay.
See you
All right.
guys. Take care.
All right.
Take care, bro.
All right, take care. Good
Bye-bye.
call. Good call. I almost made a joke that could have gotten me canceled. No. No. Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What happened to your voice? You have really nice teeth, by the way.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
All right. Aye, 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 aye. Big G, gangster, gangster. Love the shades, love the hair. Nigga did this. Sing something real quick. Big muscles. Your lame ass, man. Hello, bro.
Hello,
How are you, dog? I see you're South African. Where you from?
Johannesburg,
Ah, well, let's fucking go, man. What's your name, gang?
Declan.
Declan. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
What you got going on? You didn't even ask for my name. That's crazy.
What's your name?
My name is Masejo.
Masejo. Nice
Yeah.
to meet you, Masejo.
Ah, well. What you got going on, bro?
Hey, nothing much.
Just relaxing?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. All right. Just chilling. I could dig it. All right. Have a good night, man.
You too, bro.
All right. What's going on? What's going on? You just vibing? Okay. So I love people with energy like this, man. Just having a good night, man. Let's go. Yep. Don't skip. All right. We'll do a couple more and get out of here. How? What did they do to you, man? There he is.
Well, finally, dog.
The
Yo,
fucking
holy
goat.
sh- Oh my god.
What's
yo.
going on, boy?
My goat nasty, bro.
What's going on? How long have you been on this thing fucking waiting?
Bro,
How long have you been on it?
My friend told me that you on me. I was sleeping, bro, and then I just ran to my PC.
What are you saying, Doug?
Bro, so as you know, like I'm a big fan of you and all of that, bro.
Appreciate it, brother.
I know you like giving back to the community and shit. So I wanted to ask a favor. Like, bro, could you help me out with the haircut, Doug? Please, bro. It's like bad. Ever since I moved to Joburg, moved out of Cape Town, my family's house, I haven't been able to get a haircut, bro. I'm not even joking.
That shit is disgusting, bro. Put the fucking hat back on, Doug.
I had my fault. Sorry about that.
I will ban you, bro.
I'm so
Holy
sorry.
shit.
So like, you're gonna help me out?
I'm not gonna lie, bro. My hair is just as bad. I almost did it too, but then I was like, nah, let me not do that.
Take it off, please.
Nah, fuck no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell
We're
no.
doing our stream, bro.
I was just about to do a couple more of these and then call it, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
No, I'm saying like, when am I seeing?
Oh, when are we doing a stream?
Yeah.
I'm still trying to put together that remember that Shandis I told you about? The fucking I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but the subathon, pretty much.
Oh, dead ass?
Yeah, I still want to do that. I'm gonna need a couple people to help me out, like in as far as like setting it up and
Yo, there's this
you
guy
know
named
finding
Ray
it.
Dog. Like, he's so
Listen to him,
I
chat.
see the way you chill. I see you change the way you feel about me with a lights hit my. I see the jewelry. I'm sorry, I'm fanned out, bro. You can skip, bro. I'm sorry.
Okay, bet. But look, we'll make it happen. Yeah, I promise you, we'll make it happen, bro.
I sent you my number on IG. Like,
All right, for sure. I got you. Say less.
Oh,
Don't
yes,
worry.
yes, yes.
All right. W Red Dog, man. Damn, that nigga skipped me instantly, brother. God damn. What up, twin? You look like you been smoking. Back to US. All right, let's go to US. But they keep chasing us,
Yo,
chat.
Nessie.
Away. I'm Banjan.
Nah, dida.
Ah, ang relaxed boy. Chill. You understand? Yeah, he's. Don't skip me. Please don't skip me. Please don't skip me. Okay. How are you?
Got a lighter though.
I got a lighter? Shit. I actually do have a lighter. Hold on.
Shit, it's not lighting, bro.
Really? Damn, twin. What you put in that motherfucker? What you got going, twin?
You know what I'm trying to hit? I'm trying to hit this bottle, you feel me?
What that is?
Yeah. Bro, this is brandy, bro. Feel me?
Oh, you on that brandy, huh? It's a brandy kind of day.
I'm just looking for a lighter, bro.
I feel it, man. Damn, twin. All right, good luck, man.
I know, bro.
Okay, wait, hold on. Actually, fuck that. Before I go, I'm gonna do a little bit of self-promo, okay? Bullshit aside, what's your name?
What?
What's your name? You can even give me a fake one. It's okay. I need something to call you by.
Christy, you can call me Christy, bro.
Christy? All right, Christy, check this out. My name is Nasty C. I know it's a weird name, it's a stupid name, but it's real, okay? That's my name. I'm an artist. Where you from? What city you in right now?
I'm in Washington. bro.
Washington. I have never been.
I'm LA, bro.
You actually from LA?
Nah.
Oh, okay. Listen, one day I want to come out to Washington or wherever the fuck you are, and I want to be able to do shows over there, but I don't have any fucking fans. That's the problem. I don't have fans. I need fans. I need people to fuck with my shit. So if you could do me, if you like hip hop, you ever listen to hip hop? You like hip hop? Like rap music?
What?
You like rap music?
Yeah, boy.
Okay, bet. Why am I even asking that? Go on YouTube right now and search Nasty C, please. Just do me one favor.
Nasty C?
Yeah, Nasty C.
Okay, tight shit.
Don't you fucking judge me, chat. I'm a man on a mission. You hear me?
South African rapper and songwriter.
That's the one.
Bro.
That's me.
That's the one, nigga. Matter of fact, I'll give you a subscribe. No bet.
I appreciate that, Chrissy. My motherfucking nigga, man.
Subscribe you, bro.
Let's just try it one more time. Let's just see. I gotta get you. You gotta. Let's try it one more time. Oh, we're not doing that anymore? Oh, okay.
No, shit, my thing is falling apart.
You went too low, Chrissy. What was that?
Nigga, it's still not working.
God damn it, man. Fuck it. Listen to the music, Chrissy, and tell everyone, just listen to it and tell as many people as you can. I promise you, I'm not this weird today. I'm off of something. All right.
It's all good. I feel you. All my siblings are artists, bro.
Yeah? Really? What kind of music they make?
They make some Islander music, bro. Cause I'm actually Samoan.
I could tell. It's so weird. You guys have like a distinct.
Wait, actually, I'm about to listen
Facts.
to one of your music, bro.
Okay, bet. I appreciate that. Yeah, I appreciate that. Nah, listen to it for real though. If you like it, share it with a friend or two, maybe 20.
It's playing right now, bro.
Okay, you fucking with it? Just lie and say yes. You don't have to.
Yeah, it's the booty, bro.
It's the
I see it, bro. That's for you, bro.
my nigga, bro.
Hold on.
All right. I'm gonna see you, Chrissy, yeah? One day I come out there, I do a show, I see you in the crowd. Make some motherfucking noise for Chrissy! And you come up on stage and we go crazy, yeah? That's a bet?
Right.
All right, twin.
Bro, I'm being the VIP.
All right, bet.
Like shit.
Type shit. That was fun, chat. That was fun, man. Shout out to Cash. I think that was his idea. That was cool. I enjoyed that. I might get on there more often. That was the first time I was on that, and nothing super, super weird happened. 100 push-ups. Holy moly. Chat, you want to hear the other sound I have, bro? It might go well with the push-ups. It might be like, you know, it might make the push-ups motivational somehow. I don't know. 30 push-ups? I could do 30, bro. 30 is not that crazy.
10 sets of 20 push-ups sunk.
No. You guys are great. You guys are awesome. You guys are fun. You guys have made this Monday feel like a Friday. Not only did you make it feel like a Friday, you made it feel like a month-end type of Friday. You made this Monday feel like the end of the year, bro. You made it feel like New Year's Eve, bro. And you know what I like about you the most, bro? Not only do you support me, entertain my BS, you also keep me accountable, chat. Every time you see me do this, you say L, you call me out, you say, yo, stop it, stop doing that. We don't like it. We want you to live long. LUSB, stop smoking that. We want to see you turn 80 one day. Just look in the chat right now. Everyone hates it. That's because they love me. And I love you too, chat. Smoking equals 10 push-ups.
And he does it in our face like he doesn't take us serious.
No. I'm trying to prove a point, man. Thank you for the sub, Ollie. Thank you for the gift.
This
I appreciate
is real
it.
romantic. Rolling on the floor laughing emoji. Rolling on the floor laughing emoji.
You got your money. He got money. Get it off for him.
What I was gonna say is, you helped me quit a lot of habits. You support me in my quitting of these habits, bro. Understand? Another habit I have, is it a habit? I swear a lot. I don't know if it's a habit or what, but I swear a lot. It's acceptable on tracks, but I shouldn't be doing it so much in my daily life. Every time I swear, you guys make me do push-ups. It's a double whammy right there, though, because one, you're helping me stop swearing, but also two, you're helping me get in shape. I appreciate that, chat. I think you guys see how much I appreciate that. I think it's coming across right now. You feel the vibes, you feel the energy, bro. Right? On account of that, and this note that we're on right now, I don't think I should do the push-ups, chat. I think me saying all this stuff with this music in the back, I think it, you know what I mean? You guys get the gravity of the situation. I understand it, trust me. I'm with you, chat. I messed up, man. I messed up. I swore too many times, bro. I get it, bro. I get it. Trust me, bro. I've learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson, bro. I won't do it again, chat. I love you guys so much, man. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for forgiving me. Thank you for letting
5
it
sets
slide.
of 20 push-ups are in drop down.
No. You guys are the best. You guys are so understanding. You guys are so understanding, bro. If everyone was like you guys,
Bro trying to guilt trip us.
the world would be a better place. If everyone was as understanding as you guys, bro, the world would be such a better place, bro. You guys are loving, you're understanding, you're patient, you're forgiving. Oh my God, you're so forgiving, Chad. I don't deserve it, but somehow
The music
you
won't
forgive
sway
me.
us, Unk.
Alright. Well, thank you for at least cutting the number down. I know I'm supposed to do like 40. Thank you for cutting me some slack, Chad. I'll do the 5. I'll do the 5, okay? But I want you to know that deep down in my heart, it means a lot.
Uncle, please. You don't deserve our grace.
Thank you for the sub, Minnie.
You got the money. He got money. Get it all for him.
10 push-ups. $100 push-ups, I mean. Put the fries in the bag, Uncle.
Thank you, Chad. Thank you so much, bro. I won't do it again, I promise. I know I have a potty mouth, bro. I'm gonna watch what I say from here on out.
Bozo, do this fast.
You have my word, Chad.
Good boy. $90 more.
Thank you, Chad.
$70 more.
No. I'm dying here, bro. I can't breathe. Okay, so I did 5. Then I did another 15 right now. I'm gonna do 10 more. And we call it a day, yeah? Riyad Abila, have a good night. Appreciate you. 5 more, we call it a night.
If you did not smoke, we would have allowed it. $30 more. We believe in you.
That's 15, 15, and a 5. That's 35. That's enough. That's enough. Enough. All right, Dro. Have a good night, bro. Chat. W Street, man. Shout out to everyone that pulled up. Shout out to everyone that was on Omegle.
15 more, you can do it.
No. No.
W Stream.
Yep. Oh yeah, remember yesterday I was talking about like having a segment,
brother.
yeah? We had a this I can't breathe off of doing this, man.
You got your money. He got money. Get it off for him.
Mac, thank you for the gifted. I appreciate it. Okay, yesterday I said I'd do a thing where it's like, all right, do a random fact of the day or something to that effect. I don't have a random fact of the day, but I do have a word of the day. Word of the day is motivation, chat. Motivation. Motivation. Don't let motivation turn into an excuse for not starting something. If you have a goal that you set yourself out to achieve or whatever, don't sit around waiting for motivation, bro. A lot of people's dreams end up dying that way because people just sit there and expect motivation to come to them while they're sitting on their ass.
Motivation yourself to 15 more push-ups.
Just shut up, man. Damn. Alright. I was saying, make the first step. Motivation will find you.
You can't argue a subjective point with objective people. You'll get a headache.
Yeah, bro. That used to happen to me too. I used to be like, yo, I want to do it, but I'm just not motivated right now. I don't have no motivation to start and stuff like that. That's the wrong way to approach that whole thing, bro.
You got your money. He got money. Get it off for him.
Just Bubble, thank you for the 5 gifted. I appreciate it, bro. You got to get up and make the first move, chat. Motivation will find you somewhere along the way. You know what I mean? Let motivation be the thing that pushes you to go even harder or even faster or further or whatever. Motivation is not the initial thing that's going to get you off your ass. That's not how that works. Not all the time. That's what I have to say about motivation. You know what I mean? I'm being real now, by the way. This is not jokes. This is not jokes. Hopefully these words are... Hopefully they move someone in some way. Someone that's in the chat right now. Yeah? Don't sit around waiting for motivation, bro. Please, do me a favor. I want to see you guys win as much as you guys want to see me win. Get up and make the first step, bro. Starting is sometimes the hardest part of the entire journey. Starting, Chad. Just getting up and doing the first thing. You know what I mean? What's going on, Lukey? What up, boy?
Who's chopping onions, chat?
Dog, when you have to start something, bro, so many combating thoughts come into your mind. You'll have that one thought that says, yeah, I can do this and I should do it because I'm passionate about it. But then there's a million other thoughts that'll come and say, who do you think you are? You can't do this. Also, nah, you're this. Don't you dare try that. You're gonna fail. You're gonna start hearing other people's voices chiming in and stuff. You know what I mean? Starting is sometimes the hardest part of this journey, chat. Just start, bro. Just start, man. Start, bro. Motivation will meet you somewhere down the line, though. You hear me? Do it for yourself, though.
Ida Zoom.
I mean that. I mean it, chat. Love y'all boys, man. It's a great start to the week. Last week was trash. This week we turn things around and we reclaim our thrones, yeah? I'll see you guys tomorrow.
W. Lucas Raps.
Have a wonderful rest of your night. I'm out of here. Yes, sir.
Nasty for sure.